Hey, it's Rob, and the project is done. I've added the ability to create, edit, and delete a comment at will. And I've also added some graphic effects just to make the game more flashy. Now I'm gonna go over some of the code that I wrote / integrated from the internet. Is screen share. All right, so to start things off, this giant block of text are the 500 random words that are shown so that you have something to type to. And this is the type box that Adam Schwartz created for the game to, be able to test how fast you can type. And keep going. It's still Adam. All right, great. So this is a section that I wrote. It's what connects the front end to the back end, how you're able to submit your name to a database and the information is stored so that you can either be on the leaderboard, or if you have a comment, then you can leave a comment. See, and we have a fetch request to get the information. And once we have that information, we can display it on our leaderboard. This allows us to check whether a user exists or not. If they don't exist, then we'll create a new user. If they already exist, then we'll just post a score to that specific user. This fetch gets the scores, and the next few blocks all relate to leaderboard. So we're only selecting the top 5 scores to show on the leaderboard. And we're moving into the getting comments and creating comments. So this is a fetch to get the comments that are already in the database, and this method loads the content to your DOM, which is your window or your front end. And this allows you to create a new comment, which is attached to a method below. Yeah, so it's this method. This method allows you to create your comment. This allows you to delete the comment. And this one, in conjunction with this method, allows you to edit your comment. The rest are just toggling like your edit or your cancel edit button, or even your edit comment post form, or your actual post a new comment form. This is all the logic that supports our rather simple speed typing test app. And this is some really cool graphic effects that I found online. So I incorporated that too. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's the project, and I will record a video for demo day, and that's probably going to go up later this week. In that video, you see the new addition of the comments as well as the graphic effects that's been added. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.